Hi everybody. If you don't know me, I am Astha Jain and I would be really happy if you subscribe to my channel. Okay, so पूरा वीडियो देखना पहली बात and it's going to be a prank video and I'm going to prank my best friend Vibhuti and it's something really interesting. And I'm doing such kind of thing for the very first time. I hope you guys like it, and if you do, then please like my video, share my video, and also comment your reviews about it. So basically, the prank is going to be about I am getting married prank on my best friend. So basically, मैं उसको क्या बोलने वाली हूँ कि घर पे ऐसे बात बात हो रही है और मेरे लिए रिश्ता आया है एंड उसको पूरा ऐसे डिटेल देके आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन एवरीथिंग एंड आई होप इट गोज़ वेल बिकॉज मुझे पता है कि वो बातों में आ जाएगी. वैसे नहीं आएगी, शी इज़ वेरी स्मार्ट, बट मेरे को पता है कि उसे कन्विंस कैसे करना है. सो आई होप वो मेरी बातों में आ जाए एंड द प्रैंक गोज़ वेल. सो मैंने अभी उसे टेक्स्ट कर दिया है कि आई वॉन्ट टू टॉक टू यू, इट्स अर्जेंट, कैन आई कॉल यू नाउ. तो लेट्स जस्ट सी कि क्या होता है इन द प्रैंक. सो आई जस्ट कॉल हर and make you guys hear what she says. Okay, so I'm just trying calling her. It's my first attempt. I don't know if she picks up my call or not, but I'm just trying. Hello, what are you doing?
कमरा चलो बोल
क्या
कमरा सेट करो.
यार मुझे ना कुछ अर्जेंट बात करनी है. There's something happening and I don't know what to do.
हेलो मेरा अपन हेलो
Hello,
हाँ
can you hear me?
हाँ बोल क्या हुआ है.
Bro, mom, dad,
मॉम डैड आगे आज था.
यार I don't know what to say, but
What?
they are finalizing somebody for me.
Excuse me.
यार it's actually happening. So a day back,
हाँ
Nani
Hello,
just called mama and she just got this thing. And
हाँ फिर यार ये serious are you kidding with me right now?
are you pagal?
But I'm good and also this kind of I like and you really know and you really know but just like he's catched up on something and you just like
तुझे क्या लगता है मैं इस बात पे मजाक करूंगी तेरे से? It's very serious यार.
okay what happened your nanny called your mother then
And she's got this guy from somewhere in Punjab, I don't know exactly, but
okay
they are planning of like meeting and everything, pura family, and they are planning of meeting.
you are a fucking kid.
Yeah, I know, but I can't do anything with that, right?
You can't even believe me. I'm sorry but seriously I'm not able to believe it. But why would they do this so suddenly? You're just like in the second year. You're just 20 years old.
यार you know that these things happen very suddenly. ये सब बहुत अचानक से ही होता है. You can't even think कि अभी इस time I'm very blank. I don't know. I just like
I yeah, do you think like you should talk to your mother, maybe your mother, sister, auntie, anybody? Wait, talk to uncle.
yeah, they are pretty serious about it. I don't know what to do now. I tried talking ki mama, it's very early and everything, but what is? Are you kidding me? He's actually seriously taking it.
You'll also go.
Yeah, I
Hello?
hope I go. Actually, I would obviously go, but I don't know. It's
I think if you see you,
yeah.
maybe he realized you will be with you. just
यार
explain something.
I know some things about the guy. I am
Okay.
he's like 24 and everything, and I don't know much, but he belongs to a city in Punjab.
बच्चा है, मम्मा को क्या मम्मा को मेरा बच्चा मम्मा ये यार क्या मैं अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड से बात
तू
करूं
तू क्या क्या
They want to talk to me only. Mama, please, yaar.
she's talking to her mom and she's convincing कि मेरे को बात करने दो 5 मिनट मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड से, प्लीज
Hello?
जाओ. हेलो,
हाँ,
नमस्ते आंटी.
नमस्ते, कैसा मेरा बच्चा?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो?
अच्छा, मैं तो बहुत अच्छी हूँ यार. जब मैं तेरी फ्रेंड हूँ तो मेरे से भी सब कुछ शेयर कर सकती है,
हाँ जी.
है ना? विभूति तेरी फ्रेंड है माना, लेकिन आरती तेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है ना उसका. क्या?
हाँ जी
मैं
आंटी.
विभूति की माँ हूँ, आरती तेरी माँ हूँ. ठीक है?
हाँ जी आंटी. हाँ जी.
आप कुछ भी शेयर कर सकते हो आंटी.
हाँ जी. हाँ जी आंटी, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही बात बोला.
देखो विभूति ने आके बता दिया है. मेरे को उससे बात कर दो, मैं अपने कानों को कबूतर निकाल दूंगी.
आंटी आप 5 मिनट मेरे को उससे बात करने दो, फिर मैं आपसे बात करती हूँ.
हाँ, कोई प्रॉब्लम है क्या?
अरे नहीं नहीं, नथिंग. ऐसे मैं बात करके आपको बताती हूँ एक बार मेरे को बात करने
नहीं,
दो.
सुन मेरी बात सुन. ठीक है, कहीं कोई इशू होगा, आंटी को बात करनी होगी तो आंटी को बताओ, आंटी हेल्प करें.
आंटी आंटी savage हो रही है. ब्रो आंटी, हाउ?
मेरी भी अपनी प्राइवेसी होती है, प्लीज. प्राइवेसी नॉट प्राइवेसी.
She's correcting the English of auntie. And I can't stop laughing.
Please, na, mama. Can you please take him?
Oh God. मेरे को लगा था मैं इसको प्रैंक कर रही हूँ, साथ में आंटी भी प्रैंक हो गई.
Hello?
हेलो.
Hello? हाँ,
हाँ
बोल.
हाँ. सो ऑल दिस हैज लाइक हैपेंड. लड़के का नाम इज अर्जुन
Okay.
एंड
Listen to me, of course you're gonna go and do everything, and of course,
but can you believe all this is happening like super soon? I couldn't even
listen to me.
imagine.
I don't think that maybe it's the starting. Okay.
Is this starting अभी इतनी जल्दी यार? what should I
listen to
say?
me. Thing is, you always knew, I always knew that when this will start, it will start suddenly and out of the blue. हमें ये बात तो बहुत पहले से पता थी. It's not like हमें पता ही नहीं थी, हमें पता थी. But like वो जैसे start हुआ है,
God,
एकदम से
she's so
that
serious.
is not
She's taking it so
suddenly,
seriously.
I get it.
मुझे पता ही नहीं था.
But the thing is, Prakasham, maybe it's the first experience, right? Maybe they're just gonna go see and put him on stand hold or something. It's not like वो एकदम से सब कुछ कर देंगे. Of course, that's not it. वो तेरी पढ़ाई है अब.
ब्रो पढ़ाई तो देख यार, वो अकॉर्डिंग टू देम पढ़ाई साइड बाय साइड होती रहती है एंड एवरीथिंग, बट दिस इज डैम सीरियस. दे आर टेकिंग इट वेरी सीरियसली.
What uncle auntie may be thinking is, it's your second year and only 1 year is left and your bachelor's will be done.
Yes.
So I think that is the point what you are saying कि अभी से देखना शुरू कर देते हैं, then 1 year will be left.
My sister is sitting in the side and laughing.
It's better to start the searching from
क्योंकि ये
now
बहुत
and
सीरियस
then
हो गई है.
मिलता है ना, ऐसे लोग बोलते हैं ना, फिर भी देखना पड़ता है तब ट्रेन के मैदान लास्ट ईयर whatever should be soon. Maybe that's the mindset of the parents right now. And it's not like that, it's just gonna go and meet. Of course, parents give more suggestions when you want to or you don't want to, na?
I know yaar, I don't know what's going to happen. I'm just very scared right now.
Answer is thing is, miracles happen. ठीक है?
तो मेरिकल से मुझे अच्छा पति भी तो मिल सकता है.
Exactly. So what if this is your अच्छा वाला?
अच्छा.
We don't know. Listen to me. The thing is, invisible and you just can't do anything. Okay, it like वो होना ही था, हमें पता था, नॉटली कि उन्हें हमें बताया नहीं था और उन्होंने खुद ही कर दिया.
हाँ
No.
यार, बट इतनी जल्दी एवरीथिंग आई कांट इवन इमेजिन.
Listen to me, if they started looking for it in your third year also ना, कि तुम तब भी नहीं बोलते कि यार इतनी जल्दी से बहुत कुछ करना है.
यार वो तो फिर 25 साल की हो जाऊंगी तब भी बोलेंगे कि इतनी जल्दी क्यों. सो
Exactly, ना.
That's-
They are just looking for it. They started looking. Okay. Maybe.
so
they find it
how
again.
can we say कि ब्रो यही ये नहीं है या यही है. आई एम स्टक. मतलब तू सोच रही है 2 दिन में द थिंग इज गोइंग टू हैपन एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड
Where are you gonna meet?
I guess they are visiting Delhi, so somewhere over here only. We have not yet decided the place and everything. So
Maybe at your own
preparations हो गई हैं ऐसे, मतलब that they are preparing कि yeah we have to go and meet, मिठाई लानी है and everything. So they are preparing like
I
that.
mean, like maybe in your own house.
What? I can't hear you.
Like at your place.
I don't think we'll meet at home. Maybe we'll go out or something.
Okay, like Mama Papa told you about it or you just heard about it?
Obviously they told me about it. इतना मतलब it's like actually meeting somebody, so they'll tell me, right?
So what is that?
I said कि मम्मा it's very early. What are you doing? कहती एक बार मिल ले, that's not a problem. बाकी आगे देखते हैं क्या होता है. It's just a meeting and everything. So I was like मम्मा आप क्या कह रहे हो? This is like a very big thing for my life. तो
Yeah.
वही हुआ यार. But I don't know what actually.
I can listen to me, please.
विभूति,
Hmm.
you have been pranked. I'm sorry.
Yeah, ऐसा don't do this, bro. मेरा heart में तो heart attack आ जाता है. You are an asshole. You're an idiot.
I am sorry, but don't.
You don't deserve my sympathy, empathy. You don't deserve me, you bitch. Why me, yaar? I'm such a good, nice friend. Okay, God gracious you have me, but no. You
Baby,
don't
I know
fucking
that.
appreciate me only.
अरे but you know अच्छे लोगों के साथ ही तो बुरी चीजें होती हैं.
I hate you
Shit.
right now. कुछ भी कमी भी है तो.
I know I'm all of that, but maybe you got pranked, and I love you for that. That's actually going to be a kick-ass video, I'm telling you.
I love you, but I'm hating you right now.
Oh, I know. So अब finally तूने ये तो बोल दिया, अब audience को बोल दे to like, share and subscribe.
Please like this bitch's channel and share this video, comment on it, and जितनी गालियाँ दे सकते हो please इसे देना मेरी तरफ से, because
So it was pretty good, I guess. है ना?
from now onwards I'm not gonna pick up your call.
You are not going to do that.
No, I won't be picking up your call.
हाँ चल ठीक है. Now bye. I love you and don't take it too seriously. I'm sorry.
Good night.
You'll sleep well today. You've been pranked.
Oh yeah, right. Bye.
Bye. I love you.
Love you, bye.
Oh my god. I guess this was pretty successful. She got trapped and everything. This was pretty good. I loved it. And the way she abused me after. Okay, I'll beep on the gali and everything, but oh my god. She actually believed कि ये हो रहा है, and I can't stop laughing right now. So if you want more such videos, guys, just do let me know and subscribe to my channel. Most important, please subscribe to my channel or spread this video with everyone you want, if you want them to laugh. Or let's do some masti yaar saath mein. So bye.